Yeah, family. So we actually there. A Jamaican brother say he want some steamed fish with some okra and some Irish potato and pumpkin. So Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa subscribe to him channel. I'm gonna cook this up and our family. So I just come at the corner shop. I'm gonna buy up some things. And what's the price now, Vincent? This is for 50?
50 bob, yeah.
50 Jamaican dollar. And this is for
50 bob.
50 Jamaican dollar.
50 bob.
And this is for
50 bob.
50 Jamaican dollar. And this is for
100.
100 Jamaican dollar. And the pumpkin is how much?
Pumpkin.
The small
100.
pumpkin. 100 Jamaican dollar,
Yeah.
family. So the total for that is how much?
Total.
Yeah. Give me the total. Yeah, family. So we're there at the corner shop in Kenya. I'm going to show you guys say, oh, 150 Jamaican dollar can get all of these things. Most of these things is for 50. In Jamaica, you can't get nothing for 50 Jamaican dollar, family. You know what I mean? So if you watch this and you want to come to Kenya, Jam Tours is there, family. So,
What you got, man? One? 480.
480. Alright, so everything here, so family, is for 480 Jamaican dollar. Pull up my M-Pesa and I just pay digitally. So pull up my M-Pesa and I just pay like that and make go on, fam. So it's how things easy in Kenya, fam. So you say 480?
Send money.
480, right?
Yeah,
480. I send money and we gone. So we are say family, so let's roll out and let's go. Gonna cook up a storm for a Jamaican brother, Jam Tours Africa, and in partnership with One Love Africa. Go subscribe, go share. We got.
Yo, viewers and subscribers, it's your guy Ricardo from One Love Africa. So right now, me and my brethren are link up and we are cook some fish today.
Yeah,
You
so
understand?
Jam Tours go and get the food, as you can see.
Jam Tour is here.
So we are gonna get the slogan, gonna get the fish in there.
Now I'll get the fish on the market. So right now, we normally we drive or sometime we take a car. But for you guys, I'm going to take a boda, which is a bike. You understand? That's the bike guy, yeah? Yeah man, wagwan. Yeah man. So he's going to be the one bringing me on the bike, go all the way to the town, come back all the way here. So it's a journey for you guys taking. Watch what I go on now. On the bike back. No, we are on the bike back, sir. So, viewers and subscribers, stay tuned. If you know us so far, like Neptune. So we're downtown right now in the market. Not really market, they call it city market. They just sell samaki and flowers. Meat also, so if you want like chicken, wholesale price, you get the cheapest price of chicken here, cheapest price of fish, cheapest price of beef and goat. So for those who come and want have a family feast or an event or restaurant and stuff, you can come right there and get what you want. You understand? Because here's where I shop when I'm in the city. But when I want like the sea fish, like fresh, well the fish is fresh. I ain't gonna lie, the fish is fresh. But otherwise from here, you can go in the not the city, because this is the city. Otherwise from here, you can go in the north coast. You understand, and get what you want. So everything is here. Tune in. When we say north coast, I talk about Mombasa. If you want fresh fish from the sea and flip. Because you know some people like my fish when I'm flicking them. So I can scale them and go to them myself. But Mombasa is very far, so what they do is they buy the fish from Mombasa and transport them here. So you can come here to get the fish there. So everyone else around town normally come here to buy the fish them. And there's other places. Here's not the only place that sells fish, there's other places. But this is the closest one for me, easiest one for me, and the nicest one for me. Right now, because I have a connection here, I just call, they prepare the fish and come and pick it up. Sometimes I just come because of the rush, I want to see. And the reason why I'm here today, because I want to show you guys what's going around. Show you guys around what's going on. So, viewers and subscribers, please like, subscribe and share. So now watch part 2, and we go back to the place at the apartment and we're gonna cook some fish. Steamed fish and crackers and okra and all these things. Do not ask me where I'm going to get crackers from. I'm gonna try and find it.
Yeah, family, so we're there, and Chef Ricardo there cook up a storm.
Yeah, man.
The Jamaican brother there, we might eat some fish in Kenya for the first time.
Shoot the early clips and show you guys when I was buying the fishes. So right now, I clean the fish in.
Yeah.
I already cleaned up and thing, I eat a second rings.
What kind of fish this?
You know, see a Nile perch.
Nile perch.
The one that's still in Kenya, that's what they call it Kenya, but in Tanzania they call it Satu.
Satu.
Yeah, man, Satu.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're there in Kenya, and if you look forward, this is some of the treatment you can get when you come around Jam Tours and One Love Africa. You know what I mean? You feel like you're at home, and my brother there, as you can say, the man in a settee, and everything nice.
Yeah, I will like Garvey good to you.
Yeah, we're not on the light, but now trust me, it's that Airbnb right now, you don't have to book it because when light gone, then give you this.
No, stop. When someone, so like my Airbnb, man. My Airbnb have like everywhere.
Everywhere.
When light gone. Backup generator chicken.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Yeah, family. So as you can see,
Following what's going on down there in Mombasa, I hear it's all flooding out here, man.
They say I've just done a talk to someone. They
Yeah.
say it rained, but not that much.
yeah, family. So if you look for a 2-bedroom for you and your family, it's the best place because when light gone,
No,
you
it's
have
not the
light.
best place. One of the best place.
One of the
This is not the best place.
one of the best place them say.
Don't wait till the last week, let me know from her.
And then now when water gone, you have a pump out there so everything nice. Is what we are say? Yeah.
And yeah, man, viewers and subscribers, see it here? Sorry, so we're not on the power right now that much to show you guys a better view, better clippings, but I eat that, man. See you next food. I might want to have a share next. Blood clot, ain't enough. I'll share one plate, you know. Let's scrape our box some. Alright then, viewers and subscribers, I eat this, you know, for the night. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe and share the video. If you like what go on, make sure you subscribe. And for those who want to donate a thing, I want to tap up the thing, we have the PayPal, so you can click on the PayPal account and drop a little donation. You see me I say? So respect to all our people them. If you like what go on, you don't know what go on. Hello, I'm out.
Yeah, family. So it's another morning. It's a Monday morning, and I'm actually here at my Jamaican brother place. We're gonna link up so we can maybe go out. Might want to go out to eat some breakfast. So Jam Tours is here to pick him up and show him around. Actually, tomorrow I'm gonna go to Mombasa check out the coast. As you know, we are island boys, so we love, you know what I mean, today in the island. Anyway, the island there we have to find it, family. So, you know what I mean, jam tours there in the morning time, and we just do jar works, and I show the people them that Africa is the place to work, live and play, and come back and stay. So we're there family in the estate, and it's very big, and it's an Airbnb, and you can rent it if you come, and you can actually have a good time, family. With Jam Tours is here, actually, you know what I mean, to take care of your family. So let's go up. I have something for him here. He left in the car, so I'm just gonna bring it up for him while we come and organize and see what we are gonna do for the day. So let's go, family. Let's go. Jam Tours is here for sure. Like, share, and comment on the video, family. Let me know your thoughts. And let me know when you're coming to Kenya, so we can plan and take care of you. Make sure so you don't get scammed. Jam Tours is here to make sure that will happen to you and will never happen to you. Alright, family. So continue watching the vlog while we go. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. And as you guys know, my Jamaican brother is staying inside my estate, and him saying he want to go for breakfast, you know. So I go pick him up and bring him to have breakfast, family. So let's go, family. I have my watermelon right there. Watermelon, the rain a drizzle. Open the car. Start up the car. Let's go, family. Let's go. Jam Tours is here for you. And you know what I mean? If you're coming into Kenya, we can take care of you and make sure that everything up. Engine start up. Watermelon eat up, family. So let's go. You're rolling with Jam Tours Africa in Kenya. Let's start up the car. Ignition on. So alright, family, let's go and pick up our Jamaican brother. Just live a few blocks. So I'm up early and can't wait to experience Kenya, family. So you only can experience Kenya when you come with Jam Tours Africa. See what I'm saying, family? So let's go. If you are looking to come into Kenya, then Jam Tours is the real deal. We have an apartment for you. You know what I mean? We have apartment inside this estate. So if you need to actually, you know what I mean, book a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, you know what I mean, you can book with your family, and then Jam Tours will be here to support you so you don't get scammed, family. Jam Tours is a victim of scam. Still I go through the court, start out my money, family. Soon as the money they come through, I'm gonna get back my money. You may could know about this justice system in Kenya. When you come into a foreign country, you need to have a few things in your back pocket. You need to have an accountant. You need to have a lawyer in your back pocket, family. That's what you need to have right now. And my Jamaican brother here right there, so see my walk. Like you never know what's happening. See there? My walk right there. Feel like in the yard. Feel like you're in the yard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Morning.
Morning, Dada.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I may talk to you, said upon him we are coming rain and fall.
Hey, me could just maybe go so wait upon him, no?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so make a
Yeah, man.
I say, word, my brother.
Yeah.
I just make a tea, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know, your dad Jamaica, you walk out. In the morning, you walk out and I drink your tea.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, on a Sunday morning, you know, say a relaxed morning, and you out and drink your tea.
I the only same thing in this, man.
You only,
The
the one you buy over, so?
No, the one I buy, yes, the one in the fridge.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're there. And, you know what I mean, maybe just find a spot, wait for your brethren. I'll move you around today, right?
Yeah, man, cause some.
Mm. Yeah.
Sleeping police are serious though.
Yeah, man, and sleeping police, them they all over, man. And it kinda maybe less accident happen
But that's true, I see
because of the sleeping police, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm right. I road nice, so people that's up.
Yeah, people are, you know what I mean?
Community.
Yeah.
When the people that come walk around in school with the pin there, right there, people that's up around corner.
Yeah.
People that's not carefree.
Yeah, man, for real, yeah, man.